Hey guys, Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Well, welcome back to my channel. Well, here we are. It's that time of year again. And baby, it is cold outside. And if you're a vehicle dweller or camper and you don't have any heating options for your car or van or truck, keeping warm can be quite challenging. But today, I want to show you another thing I came up with that might aid you in keeping warm for these winter months. So let's go check it out. So this is my 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan, and I love this van. All right, before we get in there, let's just talk about the space of this van. So vans are small, right? They're not large spaces, but it doesn't matter. When your space is cold, it doesn't matter how big or small it is, you're gonna be cold. And in order to help you stay warmer in these months, if you don't have a heating option, anything that's like a propane type of a heater or whatever kind of system they have out there. I don't even know because I don't have any of them personally. I'm pretty basic when it comes to the van camping scene. But if you have nothing and you're just relying on clothing and just basic methods to keep warm, this might help you, and I hope it does. Let's check it out. A tent over your bed. What do you think about it? So basically, what I've done is I've taken this moving blanket, and I'm sorry for the noise. I've got these ginormous... All right, I'm gonna go up here, guys. You see that guy? They're making their rounds today. I'm so sorry. Not noisy. Anyhow, back to business. I've taken a moving blanket. I believe it's 72 inches by 80 inches. And the reason I chose this is twofold, because it's the biggest thing I have in the house right now that isn't super heavy. But at the same token, it's dense like a quilt and it'll stay put, okay? What I ended up doing was I took a piece of paracord and I looped it at the one end right there, and I fed it through around the visor. Okay, you following me here? All the way down here. I measured it, made another loop, and I used my handy dandy S-hooks. You know, I talk about those all the time. Those things are thebomb.com. They are so useful. And I hooked it into that little space that the seatbelt hooks up into. And I made a tent over my bed. So, as we all know, having a smaller space is going to be much more helpful to us in keeping our body warm, right? And down there, it's covered by the seat, as you can see. The end there is not very open. There's a couple open spots. But up here, you know, it'll be open a little bit through here, but that's okay because you don't want to be stifling in here with your own breath all the time. You want a little bit of fresh air. But having yourself double bagged, which I do here, double sleeping bag, my little camping pillow, it actually goes inside the hood, and I literally sleep this way. It's great. And of course I wear a hoodie or a hat, and my head's always covered. Anyways, zip yourself up in your mummy sleeping bag, zip your other sleeping bag over it. You're gonna pull down your tent. Let me see if I can get that here. Sorry for the bouncing. And you've got yourself a smaller space to keep warm during the night. And you have to remember your body heat's going to be in there as well. You know how when you're in a really cold space, if you're sleeping in your van with no heat during the night, and you know the whole entire space in your van is cold, your nose is freezing, your face is freezing. But I believe this might make a big difference. I haven't tested it out yet, but I will be doing that very shortly, and I'm going to make a video about that when I do. Anyhow, as you can see, I've got my toilet sitting up back there, my little stool here. I've got nothing under the bed here. This is my storage. You guys know that. This is where I keep all my storage under the bed. But I do have my Bluetti 300s and AC50S, and it's hooked up to my Bouge RV 21 quart refrigerator right here. This is where it stays. It always goes here. It's just really handy for me. And I'm gonna go back over here and open up the trunk and show you what I got going on over there. Okay, so as you can see in here, you're gonna have a nice little place to sleep. And I think it's gonna be helpful in keeping you a few degrees warmer than if you didn't have this up at all. I'm gonna give it a try. We're gonna see how it goes. These are my Reflectix, as you can see right here, and I've got my blanket just tucked in on the side over here. But this is my little camping table, my battery, my toilet paper, toilet. I have not a lot in here right now, but when I go quick camping and I'm just going rock hunting or something super simple and I'll be back in a day, but I want to stay where I'm at, all I need is simple. And I'm a simple kind of camper anyway. I don't need all this five-ankle business. This works for me. But anyhow, I want you guys to think about this. Do you think it's something that would work for you? You know, shoot me a comment. Let me know what you think. Also, I might want to add, you know, obviously you're only going to have this kind of a tent up during the evening hours when you go to bed. Wasn't hard to put together. Just loop it through down there by the visor, hook it on your little hook here, and drape your blanket over your bed. I actually think it will make a big difference. Having zero heat in the van, but layering up and having this little tent over where you sleep. Your body heat and, you know, the air you breathe, I think it's just going to be a little bit warmer in there. But I'm going to let you know how it goes. Anyhow, that's it. I hope everyone's doing well. It is very chilly out. I think it's 36 degrees out at my house right now, and I am a little cold. But I hope you guys are doing well. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, like, hit the bell, share. Everything I learn I like to share with you, and in turn you can share with your friends. All right, you guys, let me know what you think of this idea. Drop a comment in the comment section, and I'm happy to respond to everybody and just connect with you all. And that is all. You guys have a fabulous day. I will catch you later. Until next time.